how to get Amazon refund without return. Well, sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, unfortunately, getting an Amazon refund without returning the item is often handled automatically by Amazon's algorithm. If the return shipping cost exceeds the item's value or if it is unsellable, then you can simply go ahead and get that feature. But if that is not the case, then you can also try manually requesting it by contacting customer support. What you want to do is tap on the U tab, tap on the settings tab on the top, or you could also tap on account. Now, this is where you want to scroll all the way down and click on contact customer service. Now, the final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down again and then click on customer service. And that is exactly where you can chat with their virtual assistant in order to go ahead and get that offer. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.